In this video, I will share with you how to check in online in Royal Caribbean. So friends, if you want to check in online, follow me on this video guide. First, go to Google, search for Royal Caribbean. This is the keyword. And then you just wait. You will see, click this one, and then you will see this web page. From here, you have different things. Go to manage my cruise, and then choose my accounts or choose your book flights. So this is for book flights. From here, write your details, all details such your reservation number, such your last name and your ship name. Choose your ship name from here. Choose your sailing date, and then click on the search for flight. From here, write your last name. After write your last name, click on search flights. So basically, this is how you can do, friends. It is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video for more content.